Okay, so this is our third video of our 4 videos that we're doing on Bartell Global's diamonds. This one deals with our polishing pad, our resin bond pads that we use to actually polish the concrete. We refer to them as the Eye Shine series. We have 4 different styles of polishing pads that we use that we can talk about briefly. The first, very common diamond, and that is our 3-inch puck. It's very cost effective to buy. It's they're a very well-known diamond, and they work really nice. So we have that system, our Eye Shine 1. We also have our Eye Shine 2 system, and they're a really nice premium diamond. In fact, what I really like about this diamond, other than it gets a really nice, real clear reflection, is that its flexibility. When you look at concrete always has these very unnoticeable little bird baths. You can't really see them with the naked eye, but if you don't get into those bird baths, you'll actually dull that floor right in that area. And so with a diamond that's as flexible as that, you're able to get into those bird baths and make a nice consistent shine all the way across your concrete surface. Here's another diamond. This is a really cool diamond. It's a system that has not been around very long at all. It's called a power trawl system, and this diamond is actually used under power trawls. You know what a power trawl is? It's the big ride-on machines when you're placing wet concrete. You get on those big ride-on machines and you run around. They're 8 feet wide. And you work the concrete and finish the concrete with it. Well, we've developed a system where you can use diamonds on the bottom of those power trawls and polish really incredibly large square footage areas and do it really fast. The production rate is really incredible with this system. Now the reality is you cannot use this system everywhere. There's just specific areas where it would be practical to use this kind of system, but where it's possible, it is really a neat system to use. And then finally, our 4th type is this big disc. This is a diamond impregnated disc, and so you'd put this on the bottom of a propane burnisher and polish the higher grits there. What I like to use it for is maybe not so much in the polishing process, but in the maintenance side of it. So say you polished the concrete 5 years ago, and you really haven't been taken care of. It's still performing, but it doesn't have that shine that you used to have. Well, you can put these discs on your propane burnisher and hit it, and very quickly pop that shine right back to where it was originally. Really a neat setup. I'll show you how these diamonds like to mount. First of all, our Series 1, it's very simple. This again, like on our other video, this is the bottom plate of one of the machines. So that plate is going to be sitting like that. So what you do is you tip the machine back. Now you're looking at the plate here, and it's just a matter of simply taking what we refer to as our adapter plates for our resin bond diamonds, and you just slide them in just exactly like we did the metal bond diamonds earlier. So you put them in the middle, you slide them to the outside, and you slide them right into place like that. Very simple to do. And then when they're in place, it's just a matter of grabbing 3 diamonds per head. They slide on just like that, and that simply they're ready to go. So it's very neat system, very easy to do. Again, with our Eye Shine 2s, they mount a little differently. This would be the bottom of the machine, and you would have either a disc that is this or looks a lot like it. And so you'd tip the machine back. These just compression fit on just like that. Very simple. When you're ready to go to your next grit, they come off very quickly, and you're able to go. The power trawl system has what we call float pans that you put on the bottom of the power trawl, and it's basically a big disc, big solid metal disc, and then you mount a series of these underneath that metal disc, and that's how you would actually mount those diamonds onto the power trawls. Nice setup. So those are basically our resin bond diamonds that we use. We try to keep it as simple as we can. I think we've succeeded in that. Our next video, our last video, is going to deal with actually polishing concrete. At what point do you start? What diamond do you start with? And then all the way through to the very end of the process, what do you do at the finish of polishing concrete of the process? So let's go ahead and, if you get a chance, take a look at that one too.